While these challenges may slow the widespread adoption of EVs, continued advancements in technology and infrastructure will make these obstacles more manageable. The future of electric vehicles by 2025. Looking ahead, the future of electric vehicles is filled with exciting possibilities. By 2025, we could see the rise of fully autonomous electric vehicles. These cars would be able to drive themselves without any human intervention, creating a more convenient and efficient transportation system. Urban mobility solutions, electric bikes, e-scooters, and electric shuttles will become common solutions for short-distance urban travel, complementing traditional public transport and offering flexible, on-demand transportation options. Shared electric fleets. As ride-hailing services expand, we can expect to see a rise in electric vehicle fleets available for shared use, significantly reducing car ownership rates and lowering overall emissions in cities. By 2025, electric vehicles will not only be common on the streets, but will also be a core component of urban mobility solutions, helping cities achieve their sustainability goals. In conclusion, electric vehicles are poised to revolutionize urban mobility by 2025. With advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and smart city initiatives, EVs will become more accessible and convenient than ever. They will not only reduce air pollution but also make cities smarter and more connected. As consumers continue to embrace the environmental and economic benefits of EVs, the future of urban mobility will be cleaner, greener, and more efficient than ever before. The road ahead is electric, and by 2025, electric vehicles will be at the heart of a greener, more sustainable future for all. Would you like to dive deeper into how EV? This article is optimized for generating a 10-minute video using NVIDIA AI. Electric vehicles and the transformation of urban mobility by 2025.